What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. Are you looking for a small backpack for your laptop? Well, if you are, I found one and hoping to check this sucker out. I'm pretty excited about everything that it includes and how small it is. First of all, it comes packaged just like this, so I'm opening it up. But man, this is a smart looking little black laptop day pack, and it's just about the right size. I don't know, I'd call it maybe a 30 liter, but it's got a typical kind of student day pack size travel backpack, nice padded straps on the front, kind of this mesh, breathable mesh material. They are like 1/4 inch padded. You have adjustability right here. You have this breathable fabric on the back right here too, so that'll be nice to have on your back. And you got a loop at the top and a really thick padded handle for grabbing it at the top. You also have a couple of these, I should have put here, little reflective straps that you can clip things to, so that's kind of nice. You also have a strap right in the middle of the back here so that you could slip this over a rollerboard luggage handle. And then on the front, we have more of these little reflective strips, 5 of them as far as I can see. So if you're wearing this thing while you're out and about at night, you shouldn't worry about getting hit. And let's start with this pocket right here. We have a little like pleather flap right there. That looks pretty nice, and some stitching. And then we have two metal zipper pulls. And then on the front, we have a nice size pocket, which actually goes all the way up to the top of the pack. So you can actually fit quite a bit inside here. But then you have some pockets here for kind of your business accessories, credit cards, business cards, a nice pocket right there, a pen holder sleeve right there as well. So we can zip that all back up. And then the second pocket, which I'll open up here, is a really great pocket too. It's sewn in the middle here, so you have 2 smaller pockets on the back. This would be good for small notepads, passports, and then a pretty big cavernous opening right there, all nylon lined, which is nice. Now, one thing that I really like about this, and it's attached to the zipper pull right here, is a 3-digit combination lock. So if you wanted to clip a couple zippers together to lock your bag, you know, your iPad, your laptop, or something like that's in here, you certainly can do it. Now, it's already unzipped because of the way this was packaged, but this is the big pocket right here. Again, all lined with nylon in there. And then you can see, and this is pretty thick. I'll call this like 4 or 5 inches thick. So you can fit a lot in here. But then here is your laptop pocket with a nylon strap that velcros down. But you actually have 2 separators here. So you have a front pocket here, which actually has some padding. And then a second pocket right here, which is just slightly padded, but a very, very thin nylon pocket. So you can actually have, if you have a laptop and a tablet, put them both here and then strap them down so you don't have to worry about them falling out. Now, I do want to show you on this side, on the right side when you're wearing it, we have a couple of connectors here for USB and headphones. And then on the inside, we actually have the cords that extend in here. So what you can do is attach this to, say, like a portable power bank and have access to charging your accessories on the outside, or you could plug this into your iPod or your phone, your music player inside the backpack, and then plug your headphones directly in here. So that's kind of nice to have that as well. And on the outside, we have a mesh pocket right here with elastic, so I could put a water bottle in on that side, and then another one on this side as well. So really nice overall, small day pack here, but with lots of functionality, and doesn't really look super bulky. So I think it's just one of these really sleek kind of packs that you can take anywhere, even on a day hike, but it doesn't mean you have to leave your technology at home, and you can make sure they're safe. So if you want to pick this up, I'll put a link to it in the description. Peter Von Panda, out.